Howdy folks, seems like unboxing new products whatever you buy from the market is the in thing in YouTube. So I'm gonna do mine today. I bought a water filter from my local shops, made in Malaysia, the brand Joven. It's not a filter, it's called a water purifier. JP200 clean water healthy lifestyle. Okay, and it uses an inbuilt filter. Well, it has an quality inspection tag okay, and I'm unboxing it on my computer table, and it uses a cartridge there which says that it can remove even taste, or let me see, Purifier cartridge. Oh, by the way, the setup, the new one together with the cartridge, the whole set is retailed $179 Malaysian. I get a few dollars discount from my regular shop. And if you buy an extra cartridge, it costs $60 retail. Okay, and it says the Purifier cartridge, high efficiency. What's that? Non-woven fabric. It has activated carbon. It removes color, chlorine, sediment, turbidity, and rust. 99.9% filtration efficiency. Wow. For below 6 liters a minute. Well, I bet I'm gonna run it very slow. And the maximum is 10,000 liters for this filter until it needs to be changed, meaning it cannot be washed. Well, okay, fair enough. Made in Malaysia. Okay, manufactured by Joven Electric. This is not an electric product, but anyway, this is a water purifier system. We just connect to the water faucet, I believe. Simple. ISO 9001. What's that? NSF certified. I don't know what's NSF, but I know ISO. ISO means ISO in Kadazan, means tiada. Okay. It's already been opened in the shop for inspection, but well, what is inside? Very difficult to open with nobody holding the camera. Yeah, it's just a standalone water purifier with a lid into the water faucet. Yeah, you just connect this one to the. Oh no! Oh, this is the inlet and the outlet. Oh dear, that's funny. Oh, this is for the inlet, and you can also let the water out through here. Okay, I tried that afterwards. The outlet is on the top. Now where is the spout? Must be here somewhere. Is it? Yes, there you are. That's it. What is inside? Oh, anything else? What is this? The handbook. What else? What is this? Like a coin. Oh, what's that? Oh, just a piece of paper. It's nothing. Okay, that's all. Oh, what's that paper again? Oh, I forgot to get that thing stamped. Ayo. I forgot the dealers, but they gave me a receipt, so I rarely use a warranty card anyway. I got a receipt somewhere, so that's the warranty they said. You're not supposed to send it. No, you're not. You don't send it to anybody. I forgot to get the dealer stamp, but never mind. So I got the receipt, and if it doesn't work, bring the receipt and back to the shop. But it's very rare that I've ever used a warranty card. Normally, guys, things kaput after the warranty period is over, so they are useless. Anyway, as long as you can remove the sand or dirt in the water from the water department, which is quite unreliable in this part of the country, it's good for me. Okay, let me fit it up and fix it, and I'll continue the video afterwards. Yeah, I stripped this Malaysian milled filter system, and here it is. You're supposed to connect this to your plumbing. Water then enters here, and this is the filter inside. It enters through the bottom. They are just connected via some rubber rings that make it watertight. And this is the filter or purifier cartridge, which is supposed to be able to remove chlorine and bad taste, and I don't know whether it can remove bacteria. It doesn't say. So it goes inside. Just go inside, almost like fitting like a bazooka. No, not a bazooka. A mortar bomb. Yeah. And it sits there. There's a hole below which connects to this one. All kept tight by rubber rings like this. And put a cover. It is then pressed by the cover. Yeah. And as you tighten the cover, both ends of the filter will be pressed against the rubber rings. See? Yeah. And it's supposed to keep it watertight. Then for the outlet, just plug this little thing like that. Yeah, simple, no problem. Then by the water pressure, water then goes up, get filtered up, and then comes out here. Yeah. Only problem I have is these are the typical water tap found in Malaysia, made in China, and none of them can fit any of this fitting here. Okay, including that one, including the spray adapters, and this one, none of them can fit to any of the tap system. So I'm gonna have to throw away these adapters and go to the town again and find a way to just connect this hose straight to my tap. Remove that from there, throw away all these adapters. So that's what I have to go to do tomorrow. I cannot use it today, and just go and go around town and look for some adapters. I am not MacGyver. I cannot modify all this. Most of this adapter doesn't fit, the thread doesn't fit. I know it's a half inch sort of meant for half-inch pipe threads, but so far none of them fit. For this one, it is supposed to go straight into the pipe elbows, and I don't have pipe elbows to connect in my kitchen. And this is supposed to sit in the sink. You connect it to the existing sink pipe, and then you can get a few glasses of filtered water from this as you sit in the side of the sink. Well, made in Malaysia, and I cannot fit it immediately without having to modify the connections. Red water purifier. This is what the sort of thing you find in this country. You just cannot buy a stuff, put it in the kitchen, and start using it immediately. You still have to do a bit of a modification before you can use it. Typical. Made in Malaysia, or perhaps this is made in China and then relabeled made in Malaysia. Ha ha ha. That's all, folks. Bloody useless piece of equipment, and it cost nearly $200. Yoke.